Hello everyone, I'm Gemma from LIEBTY. Today we are at the SINOTRUK HOWO dealership. And right behind me is the truck I'm really excited to show you. The HOWO 8x4 dump truck. Let's start with the cab. This is the TXF cab, equipped with a single bunk bed and air conditioning, a comfortable setup for long working days. The right door is also equipped with SINOTRUK's unique observation window. This truck is powered by the reliable engine, delivering 371 horsepower with Euro 2 emission standard, and it has an excellent transmission and a direct-mounted power takeoff for smooth operation. For durability, the truck runs on two 9,500 kilogram front axles and two 16,000 kilogram rear axles, mounted on mixed pattern tires built for tough drop life. The fuel tank is a 300-liter unit, and for safety and convenience, it comes with a fire extinguisher, reverse alarm, front and rear headlight protectors, and a sturdy metal bumper. So, if you want a dump truck that gets the job done, this is the one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.